Okay, and we are back. We're solving simultaneous equations, also called a system of equations. We're using the Casio fx-9860. You may have another letter here, it doesn't really matter. So what we're going to be working on is, first we need to put this in the correct format. The format that we need is actually ax plus by equals c. Okay, so we need to put it in that format. Now, this is close, but not quite. We have 7x equals 12y minus 22. We want to get rid of this y term over here, and we want to get a y term over here. So we're going to subtract 12y from both sides of the equal sign. You can see these cancel out. That's why we did that. We have 7x minus 12y equals negative 22. You can see that we have a coefficient of x just right there, coefficient of y just right there, and then we have a constant just like that. Make sense? The second one, same idea, but you'll notice that we have the correct things on their side, correct things on the side. We're just going to switch them. So we're going to write 5x minus 8y equals negative 14. You see how that's the same thing? Okay, so now we have it in the correct format. All right, now we're going to pop over to the Casio calculator. I have an emulator here. Looks like that. All right, now we're not going to do the run. We're going to go down to EQUA, stands for equation or equation solver. Okay, so we're going to pop down there, exe to get into that. This is the equation solver. Now we're doing simultaneous equations, so we're going to push F1. The number of unknowns, we have an x and we have a y. All right, so that's two unknowns. It's generally what you use in IB mathematical studies if that's what you're studying this for. Okay, and here's the matrix. We have to enter the matrix. We're entering the coefficients of each. Okay, notice if there was no coefficient here, if it was just like minus y, it'd be a negative 1. Remember that. Okay, but in this case, we have 7, negative 12, okay, negative 22, negative 8, and negative 14. So all we have to do is enter that in, hit exe again, and it gives us the two answers. So in this case, x equals 2, and y equals 3. Also, you could write it as 2, 3. Now, if this is part of a word problem, obviously you're going to write the answer with the answers to the word problem. Okay? Easy, right? So now you're going to try one. Okay? So I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to give you one. You're going to try this. 3a minus 18 equals 5b. That's a b. And 8 equals negative 2a plus 4b. Okay, so you're going to solve this. Notice that the two variables are a and b. Go ahead and put that in the correct format, enter it into the calculator, figure out what the solution is. Okay, you're going to pause the video. I'm going to put the answers right over here. Go ahead and pause now. Okay, so I rearranged the first equation to get this. I just flipped the second equation to put it in the correct format. And I have the coefficients of the a and the b, and I enter those over here in the calculator, just like so. All right, and then I hit exe, and I get x is 56, y is 30. X equals 56, and y equals 30. We also can represent that like that. All right, I hope that helped you, and we will catch you next time. Toodles.